Welcome to Padlet tutorial for Vinschool students. In this video, you will learn how to join Padlet activities in your online lessons. Let's get started. First, go to www.padlet.com and click Sign Up for Free button. In the next page, click on Sign Up with Google button. In this page, you should enter your Vinschool email address and your Vinschool user password. It's the same account and password you use for Vinschool LMS. Select the basic, free option here as you see on the screen. Then, click on Let's Go button. Now, you are in Padlet. Click on the Join a Padlet button. Here, you need a link to paste joining your teacher's Padlet. Copy your teacher's link in the Google Meet chat box, and paste into the box on Padlet page as you see on the screen. Then, click the Submit button. Good job! You joined your teacher's Padlet. Now, you can send your post. Click on the button with pencil icon on the right bottom corner on the page. Type your answer or idea in the text box, and click on the Submit button to send your post. You can send pictures, links, and videos through this post window. When your teacher accepts that, your friends will see your post, and they can type their comments under your post. If you change your post, the teacher will need to accept your post again. So, think well before you send and don't change your answer again and again.